To access Trello, you type in trello.com on your web browser, which will bring you to this page. You can either log in to Trello or create an account. For first-time users, you would have to sign up here. That'll take you to the Create a Trello account page. You would enter your name in this field, an email address, create an appropriate password, and click on Create New Account. You may also sign up using your Google account credentials. Once you've signed up and you have your user ID and password, you may use that to log in to Trello. When you first log into Trello, this is one of the views you may land on. This is known as the home page and home view of Trello. Here you will see your upcoming assignments and due dates popping up here. You will see your recently viewed boards to the right here. You may access boards by clicking boards here or from your recently viewed boards. You can also go straight to any of the teams that you may have created on the left here under Teams. While we're here, let's show you what these tabs or functions are all about. This is your profile, notifications, information, and this plus sign is about creating boards and teams, and we'll get to that at another video. The other view you can look at, or you may sometimes land in, depending how you logged out the last time, is the boards view. This view is the boards homepage view. When it's blue here, that'll mean that's the view you're viewing. So here you have the last few boards you may have worked on or viewed, and then it starts categorizing the boards by personal or team. Any team boards that you created will be down here. So you have the home page view and you have the boards view. You may also go home here, or you can come to just the boards home page that way. And if you click this boards up here, you can find board, serve a search function, and it's just another way to view. So this again is the boards homepage we're on. So you have two ways to access the homepage and several ways to create teams and boards, which we'll get to in another video. And to log out, you simply go to your profile and you click log out. And that's it for signing up, logging in, accessing the home page, and logging out of Trello.